In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish site on Wix. We'll walk through the exact flow inside the Wix Editor so you can confidently preview, save, and publish your website. By the end, your site will be live, and you'll know what each button does and why it matters. First, open the Wix website editor for the site you want to publish. Once the editor loads, take a moment to get oriented. Along the top bar, you'll see controls for preview, save, and publish. These are the tools you'll use to review your work and push it live. If you see a highlighted prompt or button in the header, go ahead and click it so you're focusing on the actions we're about to take. Next, click Preview. Preview opens a safe, interactive version of your site that only you can see. This is the perfect place to confirm your layout, test navigation, and make sure text, images, and buttons look right. Take a quick look across your key pages and make sure everything behaves as expected. When you're done reviewing, click Back to Editor to return to your workspace. Now it's time to save your changes. Click Save in the top bar. Saving stores your latest edits in Wix, so nothing is lost if you close the browser or step away. You might see a confirmation message once the save completes. Click Done to close that message and continue. With your work saved, you're ready to make it public. Click Publish. Publishing takes the saved version of your site and makes it live at your site's web address. This is the step that actually updates what visitors see. Wix will display a confirmation screen, often with a link to view your live site. After reviewing that confirmation, click Done to finish. At this point, your website is live. If you visit your site's URL and don't see the latest changes right away, give it a moment and refresh the page. Sometimes your browser cache may hold on to an older version temporarily. Going forward, remember this simple rhythm: make edits, preview to double-check, save to store your work, and publish to push changes live. Anytime you update content or design, repeat that same sequence to keep your public site in sync with your editor. That's the full process. You opened the Wix editor, previewed your site, went back to the editor, saved your changes, and published them, wrapping up with a confirmation. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your newly published Wix site.